people, how you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing great as well as keeping safe. Welcome you all back to Faithful Rosemary Kitchen. Today I have another very quick recipe with 2 ingredients: blended zucchini with shrimps. There is my shrimps and my zucchini as well as my 1 garlic. With this I'll be preparing my blended zucchini with shrimps. My vegetable oil as well, my salt, I will get it later. It's a very simple ingredient. With these 2 simple and we get a very delicious meal. Salve bella gente, buon pomeriggio, buongiorno a tutti voi, come state? Spero che state tutti bene. Ben ritrovati alla cucina di Faithful Rosemary. Oggi a fare zucchine frullato con le zucchine, ok bella gente? Allora se dovete sedere sul vostro divano come sempre, comodo, mentre vedrete come combinerò a fare questa ricetta di oggi. Andiamo subito a fare la preparazione, andiamo. I already have my blender. I'm going to add my zucchini. I already add my garlic. Is already inside. This is the garlic, so I'm going to blend. Bella gente, ora frulliamo. Okay guys, done. That I'll be doing, I'll be adding some oil in my frying pan. Mettiamo un po', questa la seconda cosa che faccio, un gocciolino di olio dentro la padella. Then I'm going to add just a little of this garlic powder, guys, just a little. Then now I'm going to add my shrimps. Adesso mettiamo tutti i gamberetti. I'm going to allow my shrimps to cook for very few minutes. Then I'm going to add my blended zucchine. Lascio cuocere per un paio di secondi, minuti, e poi dopo aggiungerò la zucchini frullato. Ok, now it's time for me to add my zucchini. As you guys can see, era il momento di aggiungere zucchini frullato. Ok guys, that's the water for my pasta. I think it's boiling, guys, so it's now time as well for me to add my pasta. Added my pasta, so I'm going to add some salt as well. I'm going to add some here as well, guys. So I need to stir as well. I'm stirring this one now. Bella gente, avete visto? So now I'm just going to allow my zucchini here to cook for a few minutes as well. While I'm waiting for the pasta, I'm going to allow the pasta to cook for 10 minutes, guys. Then I'll finish it up here in my zucchini sauce, as you guys can see. So I'm going to bring it very closer to you guys. So let me just cover. As you can see, my sauce is looking now. Waiting for my pasta. Bella gente, come potete vedere, adesso lo lascio cuocere for un paio di secondi mentre aspettiamo la pasta. Ok? Ci vediamo fra pochino. We'll see you guys later. So you guys remember, with just 2 ingredients, you can be able to have a delicious and yummelistic meal. Con soltanto 2 ingredienti potete avere una pasta deliziosa e gustosa, buonissimo, buonissimo. A dopo, bella gente. Guys, my pasta is ready now, so it's now time for us to do the finishing part of our pasta. Bella gente, la pasta è pronta. Ora finiamo così. Avete visto? Oh, mamma mia, che bontà. So for those that are just passing by, see my video for the very first time, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video, you guys will be one of the first that will see. Or for all my old and my new subscribers, God bless you. For all my returning amazing subscribers, God bless you all abundantly, immensely. For all those wonderful comments, likes, oh wow, 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 you guys are veramente, you guys are awesome, you guys are generous, you guys are amazing, you guys are lovely, you guys are wow, 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 wow. So thank you very, very much, my beautiful, amazing, goody family. So this is the finishing part, metti il formaggio, però poi dopo lo metta. Quindi bella gente, questo è il formaggio. But I'm sorry, guys. It entered. Capita. You come to the side. So thank you very much, my beautiful people. So this is the finishing part of our pasta for today. Thank you. Stay good, stay blessed, stay safe, peace and love. Thank you very much. Mwah!